I am in Maputo for only 2 days and I was supposed to go to the beach, but clearly, or actually I guess you can't see, the weather has not been nice to me, so I'm just going to explore the city for a little bit. I was here like 5 years ago. I have a couple friends that are here, so hopefully it'll be a fun day and I will show you guys whatever I can find. My favorite thing to do in any new city, just go on a really long walk, have my camera, just gonna kind of see what's on. I have a couple destinations along the way that I want to stop at, but otherwise just enjoying kind of seeing the life, seeing what's going on in Maputo, Mozambique. That was Núcleo de Arte, a really cool collective of Mozambican artists. There's so many really incredible pieces. I really wanted one, but they didn't have any information about it. But yeah, it's like really, I always love when I'm traveling to see contemporary art. I feel like it's like a window into the culture and what people are thinking about, what people are feeling. So that was my first stop on my tour of Mozambique, and now I'm on my way to get some ocean views. So let's see, there's a little kiddie park next to me now. Maputo fortress, which is very small, but like the most interesting part is how it's like right in the center of the city. So you have these cannons like pointing at like the biggest buildings in the whole country. But like an interesting history. Been reading about the resistances put on by the locals to the colonial powers, which is always a fun story, but never a good ending. At the fort, there's also this super interesting like wooden exhibition of the history of Mozambique. So that's super interesting. I'm learning a lot. It's also really like cool art. I am on some bumpy roads on my way to a beach, even though the weather is really poor. I thought, why not get in a car, go see a little bit more stuff outside of the city, and go get another view at the ocean. Then I'll be back in the city soon for dinner with my friend. short visit, but another incredible one. Thank you so much, everybody in Lavallo. I am in Maputo, Mozambique with my friend Margarita.
Hi.
We went to school together 12 years ago.
Yeah.
And we haven't seen each other in 10.
True.
And we ran into each other at the airport.
We did.
And she's working here, and so she showed me around a little bit tonight.
Yeah.
And it's just really fun to reconnect with old friends. And that's what's so cool about having friends from all over the world, is that we get to like run into each other randomly. And she's from Portugal, and I'm going next month, so I'm gonna go
actually to the islands where I'm from, the Azores.
So we're gonna
Really
get
nice.
and that's where I went. My favorite place in Portugal that I've been. So it's always good to get recommendations. And yeah, so thank you. I'm so happy that I saw you. It was fun. It is my final day here in Mozambique, and the last thing that I want to do is to go and see some of the mosques here in Maputo. A big percentage of the population here are Muslim. There's not exact numbers, but some say it's 20%, some say it's 40%. This happened during the like Indian Ocean trade between like the Arab countries and down here in Mozambique. A lot of the population became Muslim, and so I'm gonna go look at a couple of the mosques that are here. Go pray in them. I always love to pray in mosques all around the world. So yeah, I'll show you guys that.